sustained campaign over the last 72 hours against Times Now. Vile things have been said against Times Now. Our reportage has been described as fake news. What was the trigger? The trigger was that on NewsHour on Friday, my colleague Navika Kumar came out and said that Riya Chakravarti, in her statements to the NCB, the National Narcotics Control Bureau, had said that there were at least 3 actresses in Bollywood that were using drugs and were part of her circle. That's all that Times Now put out. But we have been attacked for putting out fake news. We have been attacked, viewers, for bringing out the truth. At least the truth as admitted to Riya Chakravarti, by Riya Chakravarti to the NCB. We never said that these individuals, viewers, were part of some big drug link. We never said that they were allied to the underworld. All we said was that Riya Chakravarti told the NCB that 3 Bollywood starlets did drugs with her. That's all. But somehow the truth hurts a cabal and they attack Times Now. You just saw it in the previous debate. And you've probably seen the comments that were passed. It's all over social media. But today, viewers, the National Narcotics Control Bureau, one of their key officers in charge of this particular probe, has come out and said that Riya Chakravarti admitted that at least 3 other colleagues of hers from Bollywood, the individuals that you're seeing on your screens, Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet, and Simone Khambata, did drugs with her. Now I want to go straight across to Siddhant. Siddhant, this scurrilous attack on Times Now, no place for this kind of attack. You know the people I'm referring to. I'm not going to name any of those people. They owe an apology, of course, to Times Now, but they don't have the courage of their convictions to come out and even issue a statement admitting that they were wrong, that they were spreading rumors about Times Now. But I'm not concerned about that and them. I'm asking you, Siddhant, I'm asking you today, how many more stars are part of this larger drug consumption ring in Bollywood? Are they linked beyond just social using of consumption of drugs to a more organized racket? What are the sources telling you? And I believe, and can you confirm it, if some of these individuals are going to be summoned in the next few days?
Well, that's absolutely right, Rahul. You know, it was us who broke that there is a dossier of 25 people from the B-town, those who will be summoned by the agencies. Their links have come up during the course of an interrogation. Now, Navika played those names. These are 3 individuals who were directly linked with Riya Chakrabarti. There are chats which are available with the agencies. We were questioned for the news break. Then finally today clarification came from the agency. Now, Rahul, I can assure our viewers that in next 2 to 3 days, agency will start issuing summons to these B-town celebrities. And I again repeat, there are more than 20 celebrities on the list of
more than 20. Siddhant, stay on with me. I want to quickly go across to Priyanka Deo, who's a digital journalist, and also, of course, Rahul Ishwar. Priyanka Deo, what do you make of this? Now that lobby that was questioning, trolling Times Now, accusing it of falsehood, do you think they should be held accountable in some way? Do they owe an apology?
Of course, of course they should be held accountable, and I think that they should offer a public apology, because the lash out by the cabal, as you referred to it before, I think that's a very apt word for them. is probably because they're trying to hide their own linkage to drugs or any linkage or any, so whether they are doing it themselves or whether people they know very closely are doing it. Because these same people were trending smash patriarchy and India is no place for women before. And now I'll give you an example on social media, since a lot of my work is digital. Farhan Akhtar's girlfriend as well as his sister, they had put out Instagram posts and social media posts in favor of releasing Ria. And now those same two sisters have mysteriously deleted their posts. There was another celebrity stylist who had also done the same thing, and all of a sudden it's just mysteriously gone. If you're posting as a celebrity, you know
Yes.
darn well what you're posting, and why would you mysteriously delete it? It means that they're trying to hide something.
Okay, Mr. Rahul Ishwar, I want to ask you this. Is someone behind some of these attacks on Times Now? Are these motivated to try and shield the big VVIPs? What else explains this?
Rahul Shivshankarji, 2 points. One, there is no doubt that Times Now brought out the drug angle, which really exploded into a national news cycle. Second, there were reports yesterday saying that the NCB denies having involvement of any Bollywood actors. So these actors might have responded to
No.
that.
These reports were planted by individuals deliberately trying to discredit the story. These were not from the NCB, and these reports. One second. So I'm only saying. Do you think there's a motive? Personal attacks on journalists, personal attacks on Navika, personal attacks on Times Now, personal attacks on
They
me.
are personal
Are they
attacks.
justified?
They're lashing out because of insecurity, nothing else. They're trying to hide and protect themselves because now when NCB is after them, they don't want their names to come into the limelight.
There has been a sustained campaign from day one. This is not isolated. I can recount at least 5 instances. I won't bore the viewer. But there are more declarations, more exposés coming up. In just about 5 minutes, viewers, Navika Kumar is breaking a massive angle on this story. Don't go away.